If you clicked on the video, then you already know what style I'm bringing you. It's a long side ponytail with no weave. Stay tuned if you like this look.
This is a preview file.
I'm starting out with the old braid out. I'm just going to toss it to the side and start by just brushing everything over to the side, getting it ready to put in place. I'm going to take this small side piece and just make sure that it covers the hair that will be down. So the whole process just goes together so it can look like a whole ponytail. And I'm not using any distinct parts. Just making sure that everything is covered nicely so it looks like one unified ponytail. Once I get that part sectioned off, I'll just put it in a rubber band so that it can hold in place while I fix the bottom in a rubber band so it can hold in the spot. I know it's kind of confusing how I'm saying it, but you'll see. Now that I've removed the top rubber band, I'm just going to smooth this over because this is the permanent place of the ponytail. Just make it look as neat as possible like you would any other ponytail. The ponytail look is finally coming together now since I've removed the last ball. And just kind of tease it out and play with it and see where you might need a hairpin. Just to pin up the back in places where it might not look like a unified ponytail, just cover those spots. And that's what I'm doing here. And you can see how well it comes together after you pin that part up. It actually looks like all of the hair is pulled up into a ponytail. And that's the look I was going for. Whoop! Yep, I had a clumsy moment, but I picked it up again. And everybody knows that you must do the baby hair. And I know some of you guys out there don't like baby hair, but I do, and this is how I complete every look. So yeah, do the baby hair.
This is a preview file.
I'm just finishing up my edges right here, and I am done. I'm going to play around with the side ponytail a little bit, just to see how it looks when it's plait up. So if you guys want to try a plait up side ponytail without having to add in weave, here's how it looks.
This is a preview file.
So I did not like the plait, so I took it down just to stick with the ponytail, and I am loving it, and I hope you guys like it too. This is the finished look. This is all, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment and subscribe if you have not already. Thank you.